My name is Carlos Aguilar and I'm a machine operator. I set up and operate surface mount technologies, set up machines, change reels, I keep my line running, I inspect boards before they go in the oven. One of the things that I like the most is that you work with several assemblies every day, so you're not constantly doing the same thing. I started out as an inspector and now I transferred to SMT as an operator. I had friends working here and they seemed pretty happy with the company, so I decided to apply. After I applied, they responded really fast and it was an easy process.